Notifications disappeared? In 60 seconds I'll show how to fix iPhone notifications not showing. First, open Settings, then tap Notifications to see the notification list. Select the affected app and ensure Allow Notifications is toggled on. Enable alerts for lock screen, notification center, and banners, and pick a sound. Next, check Focus and Do Not Disturb. These silence notifications when active. Open Control Center and turn off any active focus or Do Not Disturb modes. If that doesn't help, go to Settings, General, Software Update to check iOS. Install any updates, then restart your iPhone to apply fixes system-wide. Still no notifications? Toggle Allow Notifications off and on for the app. Try deleting and reinstalling the app to refresh its notification permissions. As a last resort, in Settings go to General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, reset all settings. You're all set. Verify your settings now and stay connected. Check notification settings today.